Yeah, second type of outbreeding is called as crossbreeding. See here again, superior male of one breed are mated to the superior female of another breed. Desirable qualities of two different breeds are combined to produce new progeny. So again, we'll be getting hybrid animals. So this is purely for commercial production of both meat, milk, even wool, you can say. See, for example, Hizadale. This example is very much important again. So Hizadale developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaneri eaves and merino rams. So this is again very important, you have to remember. So crossbreeding, what is crossbreeding? So we are selecting the super male and super female from different breeds. Mating occurs, they produce the improved hybrid progenies. Example, Hizadale. It is a sheep developed in Punjab by crossing Bikaneri eaves with merino rams. And the third type of outbreeding is interspecific hybridization. See here, this is also very much important, like we are going to mate two different species here. So till now, what we saw was about in the same species, whether the breeds are having the same ancestor or different ancestors. So here we are going to mate we are allowing the mating of two different species of male and female. So because of that, this entirely new organisms will be forming. For example, in some cases, the progeny may combine desirable feature of both the parents and may be considered, that is, may be of considerable economic value, for example, mule. This is also very much important. So examples of outcrossing and interspecific hybridization, you have to remember. Mule. So mule is formed by mating male as with the female horse. So this, please don't get confused. Male as in the female horse.